Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal REST API with a React checkout, full guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will walk through the process of connecting the PayPal REST API with a React checkout. First, ensure you have a PayPal developer account set up. Once logged in, navigate to the developer dashboard. Here, create a new app to get your client ID in secret. Make note of these credentials as they will be needed in your React application. Next, open your React project in your preferred code editor. Install the Axios library by running the command npm install Axios in your terminal. This library will help us make HTTP requests to the PayPal API. Create a new component for the checkout process. Import Axios and any necessary React hooks, such as useState. In your component, set up state variables for payment details and approval status. Next, create a function called createOrder. Within this function, use Axios to make a post request to the PayPal API's createOrder endpoint. Include your client ID in the headers and the order details in the request body. Once you receive a response, store the order ID in your state. Now, create another function called onApprove. This function will be triggered once the payment has been approved. In this function, call the PayPal API's capture order endpoint using Axios. Pass the order ID obtained earlier to capture the payment. After a successful capture, update your state to reflect the payment status. Now, render the PayPal button in your component. Use the PayPal JavaScript SDK for this. Pass in the functions you created as props for createOrder and onApprove. Make sure to style your button to match your application's design. Once everything is set up, test your checkout functionality. Monitor the console for any errors and ensure the payment process works seamlessly. If you encounter issues, double-check your API credentials and network requests. Once successful, you will have a fully functional PayPal checkout integrated with your React application. Congratulations on completing this guide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.